This is the video for the Annunciator panel. In this video, the LED board will be simulating two things. The fluid level in a water container, and it's important to notice that if the fluid level is below 20%, no LEDs will be lit. Also, these values are not hard-coded, but they are set in a array with the LED expected index and its values. The other thing that is going to be simulating is the warning lights that would be generating depending on the voltage level that would have been received by a sensor. A low warning would be on the voltage level below 2.56 volts, a high warning above 4.27 volts. If we are between these two, a green light will represent the normal operation conditions. Using the graph on the right for comparison, we consider the plant starts with a fluid level of 20% and a low level warning, quickly going to normal conditions and then back to low level warning. At this point it goes below 20%, no lights are on, back 20%, normal conditions, then 40%, 60%, 80%, high level warning. After being full for a bit, the water level starts reducing. It goes back into normal conditions for a brief moment and back to high level warning. Then the water level starts decreasing, going from back to normal conditions and into 60%, 40%, 20%, and will deep to low level warning for a bit, and then back into normal conditions, and it will finish at this point. The graph shows the raw data with the smooth data overlaid on top for comparison.